What's going on, my fellow people? This is Mark with Justice League of Credit. So as I'm in line waiting to pick my son up from school, I want to educate a few people right now. Our dispute team, of course, they are a wonderful team. I love our team. And today, as I was going through the reports that they updated, I noticed that there has been a lot of updates, like good updates with a bunch of deletions on it. But when I look at the customer scores, some of their scores are either dropping or it moves a little bit. So I was like, why is that? So as I expected, which again, I'm used to this, but basically what it is that gets in most people's way is high credit card balances, or if it's not high credit card balances, is obtaining new debt or a lot of inquiries on your credit report. Here at Justice League of Credit, we do our part. We make sure that we get the deletions that we tell our customers that we're going to do our best to get for them based off of facts off the credit report. And the deletions and our work is being done. It's just that when it comes to you as a customer, you have to, of course, take accountability and make sure that your scores are where they need to be and that you are making your payments on time instead of getting a lot of late payments, because late payments are worth 35% of your credit score, and that's a lot, especially if you really are trying to get a home and trying to borrow money from a lot of people or from a lender, especially if you're trying to borrow, $200,000 and you're not making your payments on time. They're gonna look at you like you crazy or something. Like, you ain't making your payments on time and you trying to borrow our money? I don't think so. So my advice to everyone, whether you're a customer or not, if we here at Justice Legal Credit, or if you're just doing your credit report yourself and you are getting deletions and you are seeing little score movement or no score movement or a drop in score movement, then you really need to take a look at, what are you doing that's not, going well, or what's not connecting. So if you have any trouble or any issues, feel free to reach out to us at Justice League of Credit at 904-339-8051, or you can visit our website at justiceleagueofcredit.com, or you can visit our YouTube channel, our Facebook, our Instagram, and type in justiceleagueofcredit.com. My name is Mark with Justice League of Credit. Have yourself a wonderful evening. Thank you. Abracadabra and poof. I'm Mark with Justice League of Credit, and thank you for listening to this video, and I am out.